If you buy this, you will get this free. Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Gems. We are running our Raksha Bandhan sale and we are also running buy one get one offer on our collection. We are direct manufacturer and trusted manufacturer for all types of gemstone beads jewelry. So we have made a beautiful designer collection just for you and we are giving it for buy one get one for Raksha Bandhan. And you can shop directly from our website www.rajgemshop.com. Link is given in bio. Hurry up guys. Thank you.
Not every gemstone deserves to become jewelry, but these definitely do. Rare natural ruby Mughal carving pairs, waiting to be transformed into breathtaking designer earrings. Pair them with diamonds, polki, or jarrah craftsmanship to create heirloom-worthy designs. One rare luxury pair only at Raj Gems.
Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Gems. Today we are shipping these two orders to our customers and I will show you both one by one. Let's see this one first. This is a beautiful natural emerald necklace in 92.5 silver. These are 4 lines of natural emerald with natural ruby and emeralds studded in 92.5 silver pendant. So this is an exclusive 4-in-1 necklace. You can wear this necklace as a choker, also as a long necklace. You can wear it around your waist as your waist accessory, or you can just make it your hair accessory. Just have a look. You can clip it from here and it can be worn as hair accessory also. So this is a very beautiful necklace which is in 4-in-1 pattern. You can wear the same in 4 different kinds of pattern. Also this is a beautiful necklace which has detachable pendant. You can detach this bottom part from this. Just twist it around and remove this red pendant from this complete pendant. Now this is a beautiful silver necklace with natural emerald. If you want, we can customize the same in gold also. We offer gold in 9 carat, 18 and 14 carat. The second necklace that we are dispatching today is this beautiful Rani Har in 7 lines. It is made with the combination of ruby, emerald and pearls beads in between. This is a beautiful Rani Har necklace in 92.5 silver and all these natural emeralds are studded in this necklace. This necklace gives a very elegant look because it is a Rani Har concept. And if you want to buy, you can directly DM us. We take customization order also. And if you want to get anything customized in gold and silver, we are here for this. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Gems. We are direct manufacturer gemstone beads and you can see this is our hot selling product, multi sapphire precious gemstone beads collection. So this is a multi sapphire necklace. It has emerald, ruby, yellow sapphire, blue sapphire and the same pattern is repeating. All the beads in this collection is 100% genuine and authentic. We provide certificate also. And as we are direct manufacturer, we offer you any number of line that you want. And if you're a shopkeeper and retailer, you can buy the complete lot from us. We will give you the best business to business deal. We make these necklaces in different shapes and varieties. Just look at this beautiful peacock necklace in multi precious sapphire and this kite necklace. We have other designs also in same pattern. So if you want to buy, directly message us. For more content like this, follow our gems. Thank you. Hello everyone, our super hot summer sale is still live and this beautiful necklace in 22 karat hallmark gold with natural certified diamond polkis, which is for 89,000 rupees. You can get this at just 80,000 rupees only. Just look at the quality making craftsmanship of this beautiful necklace. The green and pearl combination is looking very pretty. This necklace is accompanied by these earrings. If you want to buy, you can directly buy from our website. Link is given in bio, www.rajgemshop.com. And this necklace comes with lab certificate and hallmarking. Thank you. Hello everyone, today I want to show you these two beautiful earrings in 22 karat hallmark gold with natural certified diamond polkis. The price of these earrings is just 30,000 rupees only. And look at the combination. This is in green and blue combination and this is in red and green combination. Have a look at these beautiful earrings. So these earrings are available with lab certificate and hallmarking. Also, free shipping and cash on delivery is available with these earrings. If you want to buy, you can directly DM us or shop from our website. Link is given in bio. थैंक यू।
ये है 5 ग्राम गोल्ड और ये भी है 5 ग्राम गोल्ड। अब आप सोच रहे होंगे इतने से गोल्ड में इतना बड़ा नेकलेस कैसे बना, तो आइए मैं बताती हूँ। हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम रुचिका फ्रॉम राज जेम्स। और हम सब ने स्कूल में पढ़ा है कि गोल्ड मेलेबल होता है। इसका मतलब इस सॉलिड गोल्ड को हैमर करके हम शीट्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं। सॉलिड गोल्ड को हैमर करके फैलाया जाता है जिससे बनती है ये हेवी नेकलेसेस। इसको बोलते हैं लाइट वेट गोल्ड ज्वेलरी। ये है सॉलिड गोल्ड और ये है लाइट वेट गोल्ड। इस पूरे गोल्ड नेकलेस की प्राइस है अंडर 1 लाख। अब आप पूछते हैं इतने हेवी नेकलेस की प्राइस इतनी कम कैसे है? इसलिए क्योंकि इसमें गोल्ड का कंटेंट इतना ही है सिक्के बराबर, और इसको बोलते हैं लाइट वेट गोल्ड ज्वेलरी। द क्वालिटी एंड कंटेंट ऑफ बोथ द गोल्ड इज सेम। अब हम इस सॉलिड गोल्ड में अगर ये पूरी ज्वेलरी बनाते हैं तो इस नेकलेस की प्राइस आएगी 15 to 20 lakhs। और अभी इस नेकलेस की प्राइस है अंडर 1 लाख, बिकॉज ये एक लाइट वेट गोल्ड ज्वेलरी है। क्योंकि इंडियन ज्वेलरी मार्केट में गोल्ड ज्वेलरी एक बहुत ही ट्रेडिशनल और सेंटिमेंटल परचेज में काउंट होती है, तो सब कस्टमर को चाहिए होता है कि कुछ कम प्राइस में हमें हैवी सेट्स चाहिए। बट अब गोल्ड की प्राइसेस इतनी बढ़ गई है कि अगर हम ये सॉलिड गोल्ड में बनवाए तो 20 लाख का नेकलेस हर कस्टमर प्रेफर नहीं करता है, तो सबको चाहिए लाइट वेट गोल्ड ज्वेलरी। ये ज्वेलरी अफोर्डेबल भी है, डिजाइनर भी है, ब्यूटीफुल भी है, बेस्ट फॉर गिफ्टिंग भी है। गिफ्टिंग रेंज के लिए सब इस ज्वेलरी को प्रेफर करते हैं। एक हैवी सेट की जगह आप मल्टीपल लाइट वेट ज्वेलरी के मल्टीपल सेट्स अपने ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन में रख सकते हैं। इसलिए लाइट वेट गोल्ड ज्वेलरी ट्रेंडिंग है और हमारे पास है सबसे डिजाइनर, ब्यूटीफुल, अफोर्डेबल लाइट वेट ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन, जो डायरेक्टली आप हमारी वेबसाइट से बाय कर सकते हैं या हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे देख के हमें डीएम कर सकते हैं। हमारे पास सभी रेंज की बहुत ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइनर गोल्ड ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन है, and we provide premium box and certificate with all our jewelry stating that these are natural diamond polkis with 22 carat hallmark gold. For more content like this, follow Raj Gems. Thank you.